Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix settings needs your review on Facebook. If you're seeing the setting needs your review message on Facebook, do not worry. This notification usually appears when Facebook wants you to review or confirm certain account privacy or security. To get started, firstly open the Facebook app on your device. And if you see the setting need your review notification, you need to tap it to begin the review. Or you can go to your three-lined icon in the top left. From here, you can choose the setting in privacy and go to the setting. So from here, you need to go to your account in the top. So under here, you can go to this password and security and check for your two-factor authentication, profile information, or add preferences or other account option. And if Facebook asks you to confirm or update the setting, make the necessary changes and tap next, continue, or save to proceed it. And you need to follow the on-screen instruction and continue reviewing each page until you reach the end of the process. And once you have completed all the required steps, you can tap done or finish it. And that is it. That's how you can fix the setting needs your review problem on Facebook. In most cases, reviewing the requested setting, updating the app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.